Okay. My name is Ravikant. I am completed in MSc Organic Chemistry in 2012. Today discuss about first year chemistry. In first year chemistry lessons, first one is a atomic structure. Second one is a classification of elements and periodic properties. Third one is a chemical bonding, and fourth one is a states of matter, and fifth one is a stoichiometry, and sixth one is a thermodynamics, and seventh one is a chemical equilibrium and acids and bases. Next, eighth one is a hydrogen compounds. Next one, ninth one is a S-black. S-blacks are two types. First one is a first A group elements, and second one is a second A group elements. Next one, 10th one is a P-black. P-blacks are classified into two types. First one is a 13th group elements, and second one is a 14th group elements. Next one, environmental chemistry, and last lesson is a organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, first topic is a hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon means alkanes and alkenes and alkynes. Last topic is a aromatic compound. Aromatic compound means benzene compounds. This is a total 12 lessons of the first year chemistry. First year chemistry. This is the most important topic of the atomic structure and classification of elements and periodic properties. And third one is a chemical bonding. In these three topics are present in 2 8 marks questions. Three topics are present in 2 8 marks questions or 3 8 marks questions in IPE examination. And another only 2 questions are present in atomic structure and classification of elements and periodic property. Another third question is present in organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Today discuss about lesson is a chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. First one, this is a lesson of chemical bonding. Chemical bonding, and subtopic is a hybridization. Subtopic is a hybridization. First of all, in this chemical bonding, hybridization. The definition of hybridization: the intermixing of atomic orbital. Intermixing of atomic orbital. Atom on their redistribution. Number of equivalent hybridized orbitals is called hybridization. Once again listen me. Intermixing of atomic orbital. Atomic orbital. For example, this is a s orbital and this is a p orbital. These both are atomic orbital. The intermixing of s orbital and p orbital. Intermixing. Another redistribution. Redistribution means number of products or new product. This is the s and p orbital to form 2sp hybridized orbital. The intermixing of atomic orbital, atom on their redistribution, number of equivalent hybridized hybridized orbitals are present is called as a hybridization. For example, this is a structure of s orbital and this is a structure of p orbital. Both of this s orbital and this p orbital intermixing to form sp hybridized orbital. This is a hybridization. In generally, the hybridization involving of s orbital and p orbital. Hybridization involving of s orbital and p orbital. Another involving of d orbital. First of all, today discuss about s orbital and p orbital. First one, the intermixing of s orbitals and p orbitals can be classified into three types. Can be classified into three types. First one is a sp hybridization. First one is a sp hybridization. Next, second one is a sp2 hybridization. And third one is a sp3 hybridization. This hybridization only involving of s orbital and p orbital. Note this point, only involving of s orbital and p orbital can be classified into two types. First one is a sp hybridization, second one is a sp2 hybridization, third one is a sp3 hybridization. First of all, you discussed sp hybridization. sp hybridization. The definition of sp hybridization: the involving of one s orbital and involving of one p orbital. The intermixing of one s orbital and one p orbital overlapped to form two sp2 hybridized orbitals is called sp hybridization. In this sp hybridization, only sulfur s means one s orbital and p means one p orbital involving to form redistribution of two sp hybridized orbitals is called sp hybridization. For example, this is a s orbital circular shape. This is a p orbital dumbbell shape. The overlapping of one s orbital and one p orbital to form two sp hybridized orbitals are present is called sp hybridization. The characters of, first of all, in sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, s character is a 50% and another p character is a 50%. S character is a 50%, p character is a 50%. Due to involving of only one s orbital and one p orbital. This is only one s orbital, this is only one p orbital, both sharing of 100%. S orbital is a 50% and p orbital is a 50%. In sp hybridization, bond angle is a 180 degrees. Bond angle is a 180 degrees, and in sp hybridization, structure is a linear structure. Structure is a linear structure. Linear means this is a linear structure. This is a s orbital, this is a p orbital. The forming of two sp hybridized orbital. This sp hybridized orbital only this is a linear structure. This is a characteristics of the sp hybridization. And for example, sp hybridization examples of BeCl2. beryllium chloride. Beryllium chloride. This is a examples of the sp hybridization. First one, in BeCl2 central atom BeCl2 central atom is a beryllium. Central atom is a beryllium. Next one, beryllium atomic number 4. Beryllium atomic number 4. Next one, beryllium electronic configuration. Beryllium electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p0. Note this point. Beryllium electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p0. In generally, beryllium electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. Beryllium atomic number 4. That's all. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. But beryllium electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p0. In this 2p0 is a 0 electrons. 2p0 is a 0 electron. Totally in this configuration number of electrons is a 4. Number of electrons is a 4. Due to p0 means in generally hybridization involving of only s and p orbital. sp hybridization involving it to s and p orbital due to beryllium electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 and 2p0. Next one, beryllium first excited state electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2s1 and 2p1. In this electronic configuration only 2 electron. In p orbital electronic configuration 0 electron. In this hybridization involving of s orbital and p orbital, beryllium first excited state electronic configuration 1 electron, it moves to flow of 2s orbital to 2p orbital. 2s orbital to 2p orbital. Electronic configuration is a 1s2 2s1 2p1. 2s orbital in 1 electron and 2p orbital in 1 electron. Totally S1 P1. This is a sp hybridization. Once again listen me. In BeCl2 central atom is a beryllium atomic number 4. And next one, beryllium electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p0. The 2p0 is adding of only hybridization s orbitals and p orbital. And the first excited state of beryllium configuration 1s2 2s1 and 2p1. This is a 2sp hybridized orbital. In the example of the BeCl2, in BeCl2 two chlorine atoms present in 2 electron. In chlorine atom in p orbital present in 2 electron, overlapping of 2sp hybridized orbital. Overlapping of 2sp hybridized orbital to forming of 2 sigma sp p bonds are present. 2 sigma sp p bonds are present. This is a Friedel structure. This is a sp hybridization. This is a sp hybridization, and this is a 1 p orbital in chlorine atom. This is a 1 p orbital in chlorine atom. This bond is a sigma sp p bond. This bond is a sigma sp p bonds. This is a sigma sp p bonds. This is a sigma sp p bonds. This p is a 2 electrons present in chlorine atom in p orbital. In p orbital, chlorine atom present in 2 electrons in p orbital, the formation of 2 sigma sp p bonds are present. This is a sp hybridization. Once again listen me. sp hybridization, the intermixing of one s orbital and one p orbital to form 2 sp hybridized orbitals are called sp hybridization. This is the structure of s orbital. This is the structure of p orbital. This is a 2 sp hybridized orbital. The characteristics of the sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, s orbital percentage is a 50% and p orbital percentage is a 50%, and in sp hybridization bond angle is a 180 degrees. This is a bond angle is a 180 degree. The structure of is a linear structure. This is a linear structure. Bond angle 180 degrees. S percentage 50%. P percentage 50%. Next one, the example of the BeCl2. In BeCl2, central atom is a beryllium. Central atom is a beryllium. Next one, beryllium atomic number 4. Next one, beryllium electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p0. This hybridization involving of s orbital and p orbital due to write down of the p0 orbital. Next one, beryllium first electronic excited state electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1, 2p1. The flow of in 2s orbital one electron it moves to 2p orbital to forming of 2sp hybridized orbital. In chlorine atom 2 electrons are present in p orbital. 2 electrons overlapping of 2sp hybridized orbital to formation of 2 sigma spp bonds are present. This is a structure of 2 sigma spp bonds. This is a 1 sigma spp bonds. This is a 1 sigma spp bonds are present. This is a sp hybridization. Next second one. Second one, sp2 hybridization. It is also simple definition. In one s orbital and how many p orbitals? 2 p orbitals. 2 p orbitals to form 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals. Okay, this is a only involving of one s orbital. In this past p involving of 2 electron due to 2 p orbital. Intermixing to form 3 sp2 hybridized orbital. This is a structure of this is a 1 s orbital. This is a 1 2 p orbital. This is a px orbital. This is a py orbital. Py orbital. To form 3 sp2 hybridized orbital. This is a 1 sp2. This is a 1 sp2. This is a 1 sp2. This s orbital is intermixing of these orbitals. Totally this 1 sp2 and this 1 sp2 and this 1 sp2. Totally 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals are present is called sp2 hybridization. So next one, characters. Characters is a first point in sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization, S percentage is a 33.3%. 33.33%, and P percentage is a 66.66%, only involving of one s orbital, and p orbital involving of two orbitals. This is a 1/3. S percentage is a 33.33%, and P percentage is a 66.6%. In sp2 hybridization, bond angle 120 degrees, bond angle 120 degrees, and structure is a trigonal structure. This is a characteristics of the sp2 hybridization. And further examples of the sp2 hybridization: BF3 or BCl3, boron trifluoride or boron trichloride. For example, this is example of BF3. First point, in BF3 central atom, BF3 central atom is a boron. Next, second one, boron atomic number 5. Nice. Third one, boron electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. Boron atomic number 5, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Totally involving of 5 electrons. Atomic number also 5. This is a s orbital involving 2 electrons, and p orbitals involving only 1 electron. And second one, boron first excited state electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s1 and 2p2. The flow of one electron 2s orbital to 2p orbital. 2s orbital to 2p orbital. The electronic configuration is a 1s2, 2s1, 2p2. How many electrons present in 2s orbital? 1 electron. And how many electrons present in 2p orbital? 2 electrons. This is a 1, this is a 2. Totally s orbital in 1 electron, p orbital in 2 electron. Totally this is a sp2 hybridization. This is s orbital 1 electron, and p orbital 2 electrons, p orbital also 2 electrons. Due to this is a sp2 hybridization. And second one, in BF3, boron trifluoride in p orbitals, in fluorine atom p orbitals. In p orbitals, 3 electrons are present. These 3 electrons overlapping of 3 sp2 hybridized orbital. Once again listen me. In fluorine atom, 3 electrons are overlapping of 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals is called 3 sigma sp2 p bonds. 3 sigma sp2 p bond. This p is a in fluorine atom or chlorine atom. 3 electrons involving only p orbital. In p orbitals of 3 electrons involving with 3 hybridized orbitals is called formation of 3 sigma sp2 p bonds are present. In generally, the structure of BF3, this is a boron, this is a fluorine, this is a fluorine, this is a fluorine. This is a fluorine. The structure of this is a trigonal structure. And the structure is a boron and boron and boron. This is a 1 p orbital. This is a 1 p orbital. This is a 1 p orbital. This is a, the bond is a sigma sp2 p bonds. This is a sigma sp2 p bonds. This is a sigma sp2 p bonds. Sigma sp2 p bond. How many sigma bonds are present in this structure? 3 sigma bonds are present. This is a 1 sigma bond. This is a 1 sigma bond. This is a 1 sigma bond. Totally 3 sigma bonds are present in boron trifluoride or boron trichloride in this structure. This is a explanation of sp2 hybridization. Once again listen me. sp2 hybridization, 1 s orbital, 2 p orbital overlapped to form 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals, or the intermixing of 1 s orbital, 2 p orbital redistribution number of equivalent to 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals is called sp hybridization. This is the structure of s orbital, spherical structure. This is the structure of p orbital, dumbbell structure. How many p orbitals present in? 2 p orbitals are present. First p orbital is a px orbital. Next p orbital is a py orbital. Formation of 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals are present. Next one, characteristics. In sp2 hybridization, S percentage is a 33% and P percentage is a 66.66%. In sp2 hybridization, the structure of bond angle is a 120 degrees. The bond angle is a 120 degrees. These are 120 degrees. These are 120 degrees. Totally, in this bond angle 120, in this bond angle 120, in this bond angle 120. Totally, in this structure, the bond angle is a 120 degrees. Next one, structure is a trigonal structure. Next, example of the sp2 hybridization, BF3 or BCl3. First one, in BF3, central atom is a boron. Central atom is a boron. Next one, boron, atomic number 5. Atomic number 5. Next one, boron, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. In 2s orbital in 2 electron and 2p orbital in 1 electron. Next one, the flow of in first excited state of boron 1 electron, it gives to 2s orbital to 2p orbital. If flow of in this to 1 electron, it flow of only px and py orbital. This is a px orbital. This is a py orbital. The flow of 1 electron 2s orbital to and 2p orbital. In 2p orbital is a py orbital. The electronic configuration is a 1s2, 2s1 and 2p2. 1s in 1, 2s in 1 electron, 2p in 2 electron, totally sp2 hybridization. In BF3 in fluorine atom, p orbitals are present in 3 electrons. 3 electron overlapping of 3 sp2 hybridized orbital, the formation of 3 sigma spp bonds are present. This is a structure of boron trifluoride. This is a structure of sigma sp2p bond of structure. This is the explanation of the sp2 hybridization. Next one, Third one, sp3 hybridization. This is simple definition. First one is a how many s orbital? One s orbital. This is a one s orbital. How many p orbitals? Three p orbitals. This is a three p orbitals. Three p orbitals. Overlapped or intermixing redistribution number of equivalent hybridized orbital. This is a 1s orbital. This is a 3p orbital. To formation of 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals are present is called sp3 hybridization. First of all, s orbital is a spherical structure and p orbital is a dumbbell structure. How many p orbitals are present? 3 p orbitals are present. First p orbital is a px orbital. Next second one p orbital is a py orbital and third p orbital is a pz orbital. Third p orbital is a pz orbital. And clearly structure. First one, this is a px, this is a py, this is a pz, px and py and pz. One s orbital and 3 p orbitals to form 4 sp3 hybridized orbital. 4 sp3. This is a 1 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 sp3. This is a s orbital. This is a s orbital. First one sp3. This is a sp3. This is a sp3. This is a sp3. Totally sp3 orbitals. How many present in this structure? 4. Due to 4 sp3 hybridized orbital is called sp3 hybridization. Next, second one, characters. Characters. In sp3 hybridization, S percentage is a 25%. Only 25%. Due to only one s orbital, 3 p orbital. 3 p orbital is a 3 parts is only 1 part. It is 100%. 1 part is a 25%. 25%. And p orbital percentage is a 75%. 75%. Next one. In sp3 hybridization, bond angle is a 109 degrees to 8 minutes. 109 degrees to 8 minutes. And structure is a tetrahedral. Tetrahedral structure. Structure is a tetrahedral structure. Characteristics of in sp3 hybridization, s percentage is a 25%, p percentage is a 75%, and sp3 hybridization bond angle is a 109 degrees to 8 minutes, and structure is a tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure. The example of the sp2. Example of the sp3 hybridization. Example is a CH4 methane. CH4 is a methane. And first point, same sp2 and sp3. Same as usual. 3 examples. First, CH4 central atom. CH4 central atom. Central atom is a carbon. Central atom is a carbon. Second one, carbon atomic number. Carbon atomic number 6. Atomic number 6. Next one, carbon electronic configuration. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. 2p2. How electronic configuration 6 electron. This is a 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2, 4, 6. 6 is a carbon atomic number. This is a outermost orbital. In outermost orbital, 2s orbital presenting how many electrons? 2 electrons. And 2p orbitals presenting how many electrons? 2 electrons. These two are filling with px orbital and second one py orbital. Py orbital. Next, second, third, fourth one. Carbon first excited state electronic configuration. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2s1, 2p3. 2s1, 2p3. This is a 2s orbital in 1 electron, 2p orbital in how many electrons? 3 electrons. This is a 1 electron, this is a 1, this is a 1. Totally 3 electrons are present in the carbon first excited state. The flow of the moving of 1 electron 2s orbital to 2p orbital. 2s orbital to 2p orbital. The flow of 1 electron 2s orbital to 2p orbital. This state is a excited state. The state is a excited state. The flow of 1 electron lower level to higher level. The state is a excited state. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1 and 2p3. 2p3. This is a which hybridization? sp3 hybridization. How many sp3 hybridization? 4. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals are present in sp3 hybridization. In generally CH4 molecule or generally methane. Methane present in only hydrogen. Only hydrogen. Hydrogen present in 4 electrons. Hydrogen present in 4 electron in s orbitals. In s orbitals. So the overlapping of 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals. The formation of 4 sigma sp3 s bonds are present. 4 sigma sp3 s bonds are present. This is a sp3 hybridization. The structure of methane molecule. This is a first structure. This is a second one. This is a third one. This is a fourth one. This is a 1 s orbital, s orbital, s orbital. This is a s orbital. This is a 1 sigma sp3 s bond, sigma sp3 s bonds, sigma sp3 s bonds. This is a sigma sp3 s bonds are present. Only hydrogen involving of 4 electron. In generally hydrogen electronic configuration 1s1. 1s1. Due to involving of which orbital? Only s orbitals are involving. There is no involving of p orbitals and d orbital. Due to overlapping of only s orbitals in 4 electrons, so formation of 4 sigma sp3 s orbital. For example, sp hybridization and sp2 hybridization and sp3 hybridization. In sp hybridization, the sigma bond is only sigma sp p bonds. Sigma sp p bonds. How many sigma sp p bonds are present? 2 sigma sp p bonds are present in sp hybridization. And second one, 3 sigma sp sp2 p bonds are present in sp2 hybridization. Next, third one, in sp3 hybridization 4 sigma sp3 s bonds. 4 sigma sp3 s bonds. This is a p orbital, this is a p orbital, and this is a only s orbital. Only s orbital. Due to, in this example is a BeCl2. BeCl2. In chlorine atom present in p orbital. Chlorine atom present in p orbital. Next one, BF3. BF3. In BF3 present in p orbital. Present in p orbital. And in CH4. In CH4 only present in s orbital. Only present in s orbital. Due to this is a chlorine, atomic number 17. Due to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5. 3p5. This is a 2 electrons, 4 electrons, 10 electrons. 10 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. In this is a outermost orbital. Outermost orbital present in p orbital. Due to formation of 2 sigma sp p bonds. And another one BF3. Another one BF3. Fluorine 9. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. This is a 2, 4 and 5. 9. And in this outermost orbitals involving s orbitals and p orbital. Lone pairs of electrons present in only p orbital. Formation of only 3 sigma sp2 p bonds. And another one, methane. Only hydrogen 1s1 orbital. Due to involving of only s orbital. This is a very important topic. This is a sp hybridization. 2 sigma sp p bonds are present. In sp2 hybridization, 3 sigma sp2 p bonds are present. And sp3 hybridization, 4 sp3 p bonds are present. This is a explanation of hybridization. Once again listen me. sp3 hybridization. First one, 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals overlap or intermixing to form 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals are present is called sp3 hybridization. This is a 1 s orbital, this is a 3 p orbitals, px, py and pz. The formation of 4 sp3 hybridized orbital. The characteristics of the sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, s percentage is only 25% and p percentage is a 75%. And in sp3 hybridization, bond angle is a 109 degrees to 8 minutes. This is a bond angle of 109 degrees to 8 minutes. This is a tetrahedral structure. This is a tetrahedral structure. Next one, this is examples of the methane molecule or CH4 molecule. First, in CH4, central atom is a carbon and carbon atomic number 6 and carbon electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. These 2s and 2p orbitals are outermost orbitals. 2s orbital present in 2 electrons. 2p orbitals present in 2 electrons. 1, 2. This is a empty orbital. And carbon first excited state electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1 and 2p3. The flow of one electron in 2s orbital to 2p orbital due to formation of 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals are present. In this example is a methane molecule. In methane molecule 4 hydrogens are present. 4 hydrogens are in 4 s orbital in 4 electron in the overlapping of 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals is called formation of 4 sigma sp3 s bonds are present. The bond angle is a 109 degrees to 8 minutes. This is a topic of the hybridization in